So what he'll do is he'll run up and get these handful of sheep, and I'll just bring them up into this area here.
Cool.
So basically, I can stop and start him, and I can kind of make him go left and right with my whistle.
It looks like all of they're all just hiding up there.
They're like, yeah, we know what's coming.
Yeah, he's like, oh no. Watch him. Watch him go get him.
Oh, he's so
my
excited. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. You know, if you had one of these, Jen, you wouldn't ever have to worry about a lease.
So funny.
These sheep are like, look at him, man. He's got his ears up. He's like, yeah, come my way. Come at me, bro.
Oh.
Just try and get away. Oh my God. I love Tom.
Look at him.
Look at him. Don't even, Mr. Sheep. Tom's the enforcer.
That is amazing. Oh my God. Here they come.
Oh, you guys are so pretty. Good job, Tom. Oh, Tom, don't let him get away. Don't let him get away, Tom.
Is that funny, Elise?
That's right. That's right.
Good job, Tom.
Good job.
The sheep are like, no, me first, me first.